In this unit, Innovations and Evolutions, you will be exploring how music has changed. How did this instrument come about? Did it evolve from the guitar? No, it didn't. So how did the ukulele come about? Or what about this little guy, the piccolo? Why would anybody want such a small little flute, and why was it invented? When did the electric keyboard come on the scene? What makes it different from a piano? When was opera developed? How did college drum lines come into being? How did styles like reggae, hip-hop, dubstep, funk, nightcore develop? How did the 8-track player come into being? There is so much to explore. You will need to focus on one topic. For example, the electric guitar. Do your research and tell a story on your blog explaining how the electric guitar evolved. In order to tell that story, you're going to need 2 musical examples for your readers. One selection that represents the past, or point A, and another example that represents the evolution or innovation, point B. So if your topic was the electric guitar, you would present a musical selection featuring an acoustic guitar and another musical selection featuring an electric guitar, preferably an old recording with one of those first electric guitars. So this is a scholarly blog, so you will need to utilize quality sources to investigate your topic. One source isn't enough. Make sure that you have at least 2 sources verifying your information. Wikipedia is a great place to start, and you can use it for this assignment, but you have to have another source to back you up. Wikipedia does have some problems, so make sure that that second source isn't just copying what Wikipedia said. I've seen that before. So you need to cite your sources in MLA style, as well as provide a hyperlink to internet sources. Along with your presentation of the musical examples, you will need to analyze the music elements that have changed because of this innovation. And you should be able to identify at least 2 elements to present as part of your story. Along with your analysis of the musical elements that have changed, you will inspect your aesthetic judgments. What's your opinion of the changes? Maybe you prefer the quieter, more subtle sound of an acoustic guitar over the electric guitar. You could discuss your reaction in terms of timbre and dynamics as part of your blog story. If you would like more guidance, you can look on our student blog page and read and listen to what students from the previous semester did. There's a second part of this assignment, and it's commenting on 2 of your classmates' blogs. And just like the previous comment assignments, you will be required to offer up your opinion politely and add more to the discussion. Do you have a favorite recording that relates to what was presented? Do you have a link to an article that could provide further learning? Did you hear something else in the music elements that wasn't discussed? So those are a couple of suggestions that you could add more to what was already presented. Now don't forget, good editing. I hope that you found an online editor that works for you and you're using it. Visual interest. Many topics for this blog are worthy of including images for comparison and understanding in addition to the musical selection. Now, to get you started, I have some curated blog links on this page that provide you with a good starting point for this assignment. And you are free to select any of those topics or choose a topic of your own. If you are feeling uncertain about the topic you've selected, send me an email and I can let you know if you're on the right track. All right, happy exploring.